Hello everyone, myself Rahul Chaudhary and today I am going to tell you about the International Photography Day. At the time when I am making this video, today is 19 August 2060, 2026. So today is International Photography Day. International Photography Day is celebrated on 19 August. It is a special day and the theme of this photography day is home. Home means emotional touch because we have the emotional touch, direct emotional touch to our home because we live there from our childhood to the age of death normally. So we emotionally touch directly to them. So in the photography also we have emotional connection with some photos, some videos. So the theme of this is home. And in 2025 the theme was my favorite photo. Let's talk about the some history of photography or World Photography Day. Why World Photography Day is celebrated on 19 August? The reason is because of Robert Cornelius. Robert Cornelius was a good photographer from the America and he took the first self-portraited picture by himself in 1839 on the date of 19 August 1839 on today. Because of that incident, International Photography Day is celebrated all over the world on 19 August. I am providing you some more detail that I found on the newspaper article about the International Photography Day. Some two French scientists, mainly Joseph Nipcher and Louis Daguerre, they both discover daguerreotype process. This process is directly connected to the photography and it is used in early process of photography. I don't know, maybe this process is used in today's photography also. They are known as become the first photographers of the world of little advanced, because photography is also developed in more early ages, but it is very difficult to capture photo. After they discover this daguerreotype process and other, the photography is becoming more easier. And Joseph Nipcher also discovered the heliography. This is used in that time camera or photography, and now also this may be used. So now I explain you about the photography meaning. Photos means light, and graphing is clicking the photo. Graphing. If we mix both of the words, it becomes photography. Light, click. That means clicking a photo in light. If you are able to capture a photo in light only. Without light, it is almost very difficult to capture any photo because there is no object is visible without light. So in photography, light is very much important. This is the whole thing that I told you about International Photography Day. Now I am going to tell you about the importance of photography. Photography is used in every field, everywhere. You can see, like in everyone can buy a camera. At the starting age of the photography or camera, the camera is not affordable that much. Only the rich people or only the kings and queens and the very rich elite class can buy the camera or took the use of photography. And photography is only limited to the some events, some important events like marriage, meeting, conferences, and like that. And only the king and queens and like the elite class can only use the photography at the starting time. But after the development of photography, now photography is affordable and photography is available to almost every citizen of the world. Every person of the world can took the photo because in the mobile phone camera is used, and mobile phones are very much affordable, and almost most of the people of the world have mobile phones, so they can capture photos, they can make the videos, and it is very much affordable. And camera is used in every field, almost every field of the business, every field of the world. This camera is used, like in mobile phone, you know, everywhere, in laptop, in other devices like drone, and almost in TVs also camera is available. There is webcam. Like, camera is very much affordable and it is available in every sector of life, in drones, and camera is used in everywhere. Photography is used in everywhere. So this is the importance of photography. And at this time, AI also used in photography, clicking the photos. And in this process, because of AI, photography is more easy to capture the good photos, because AI modify the photos and edit the photo by himself and make it more enhance the quality of the photo. So this is about the International Photography Day. I hope you understand why International Photography Day is celebrated and what is the importance of photography in our life, because photography is connected to us in directly in the every means, because of the photography only I am connected with you in this manner. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and leave your feedback in comment or any question or anything like that. Meet you in next video. Thank you.